So we're down here in Highbury in North London. This is just an update video of our restoration project we've been currently working on for around about the last 6 to 8 weeks. So what we did on this project is we removed all of the paint from all of the brickwork on the front of the property, cut out and replaced all of the bad bricks with matching London stock bricks, brick cleaned all of the brickwork back to its natural colour, repointed the front of the building in natural lime mortar in a penny roll finish. So I'm just going to give you a close-up how that looks. You can see on the piers everything's starting to dry out really well now. So I've done all of the piers, as you can see, really nice finish all up the side of the steps. It's going to take you up on the scaffolding and show you everything that's been done on the scaffolding. So massive transformation, this one. It's come out really well. Looks really good throughout the whole building. Got the decoration to do next. The homeowners, the freeholders on this property, got their own decorating team to come in and take care of the decoration for them. Lads have done a really good job on this. It's a really big project. Lots going on here. Just finished a new flat roof for the clients as well. I'll show you that in a minute. So everything's drying out really well. Customers had a lot of damp on this property, so it all been repointed in sand and cement. Like I say, paint was all over the brickwork, stopping everything from breathing properly. So clients are really happy with how this has come out now. Massive difference. So as you can see, everything's drying out really well. Let's take you upstairs and show you upstairs. As you can see, all of the archwork throughout, all been penny roll pointed. Looks really good. All the way through there. Let's take you upstairs in the top lift and show you what's been done up here. So we have got new flat roof just been done by our roofers. So nice new flat roof, LED flashings all the way through. Customers are experiencing a lot of damp on this top floor flat here, so we've sorted that out for them now. Nice new flat roof all the way through. We're coming back next week. Customers instructed us to repoint the chimney stack now, so we're going to get this stack repointed for them, get all that nice and watertight while the scaffolding's up. As you can see, all lovely new flat roof all done on here. We've also got 2 small parapet walls to now repoint. The lads will do that when they come to do the chimney stack next week. It's got this section of walls to repoint here. These parapet walls, had to get the scaffolding made a bit higher just to get these repointed now. So repoint these 2 last bits of parapet wall. And then, like I say, it'll be left over to the customers to get their decorator to come in and do all of the woodwork and stonework for them, get all of that decorated. And then we are now looking at phase 2 of the project. So I'm just going to show you what the customers now want us to undertake as soon as possible. So I'm going to get some prices over for them later part of this week, show you what we're going to be doing next. But yeah, like I say, massive transformation, come out really well, this project. Done a house across the road a few years back, so that's all our work across the road, and decided to get us to do the work for them. But everything's come out lovely and smooth as always. So let me just show you what we're going to be doing for phase 2 now. So phase 2 will be this side elevation. So stripping all of this red paint like it had on the front of the building, stripping all of this paint off, cleaning all the brickwork on the whole side of the property. So had lots of cement mortar repairs done in the past. As you can see, customers are still suffering from a bit of damp up in that top bedroom there, so we'll get all of that rectified for them, get all this done in a nice breathable lime mortar. Just going to go for a flush finish on the side of this all the way along, get a pavement license put up, get the scaffolding up, and then we'll carry on with the next phase of the project. A bit of decoration to do on the window sills for them, and that'll be that section done, and then round to the back later part of the year. just carry on getting all of that white paint off, because obviously they've seen how good the front looks now, so they just want to carry on with phase 2, stripping all of the rest of the paint off and just restoring everything how we did on the front. So yeah, once again, more happy customers, all finished to the highest standard as always. A little close-up of how it all looks. As you can see, really tidy finish all of the way through once again. So if you do like the look of this project, or you've got any questions, you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'll be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much.